Hello everyone. Now we'll be learning about covalent bond. How covalent bond is formed. Here it is a bond which is formed by mutual sharing of electrons. What exactly meant by sharing of electrons? To explain this, let's take one example. A formation of hydrogen, oxygen and HCl. Here H2 means it is formed between two similar atoms. In this also the same thing, but here it is a covalent compound which is formed between two different elements. Okay, now let's take the example of formation of hydrogen. Here, before writing covalent bond, first we have to write Lewis dot structure of hydrogen. Now Lewis dot structure of hydrogen, write H and then its atomic number of hydrogen is 1, that is Z is equal to 1. Now draw the structure of hydrogen. Valency of hydrogen is 1 because its configuration is K1. Last shell of hydrogen is K, in that only one electron is present. That electron I am taking as valence electron. That I represented in the form of dot. In H2 molecule there are two hydrogens, that's why I am taking two hydrogens here. H with one dot and one more H with one more dot represents electron. Configuration is 1s1 or K1. Here is 1s1 and K1. Anything you can write. Here hydrogen with this one electron and hydrogen with one more electron. Now you find out what is its nearest noble gas. Nearest noble gas for hydrogen is helium with configuration 1s2 or K2. But hydrogen is having only one electron. To get one more electron like a helium, it should gain one more electron. That's why it has to take one more electron from other element. One more element whatever we have taken in the H2, that is also belongs to the same, that is one more hydrogen with other electron, and this hydrogen also want one more electron to get like a helium configuration. Then these two will share electrons instead of donating or accepting. That's why hydrogen with one electron, this hydrogen with one electron, these two need one more electron to get like a helium. That's why these two mutually exchange or share their electron, and then it will get H2. H and H together you'll get H2 molecule with two electrons. This hydrogen will get these two electrons and this hydrogen will also get the same two electrons which are shared between these two. Then it will become like a H2 molecule. Then now you will get helium configuration to each hydrogen. Covalent bond is represented by a sleeping line instead of writing like this. This indicates symbol mutual sharing, and the sleeping line indicates which is formed by the sharing of two electrons. One bond is formed by sharing of two electrons. It represents, sleeping line represents two electrons or one pair of electron. One pair of electron. Okay. Now let's take the formation of O2 molecule. In the same way you have to write the atomic number of oxygen first. Here two oxygens are there. I am writing here 2 oxygens. Atomic number is 8. 1s2 configuration you have to write 2s2 2p4 1 2 3 4 4 plus 4 it is 8, and for this oxygen is also 1s2 2s2 2p4. Now find out the valency of oxygen. To find out the valency of oxygen, you should find out valence electrons of oxygen. Number of valence electrons present in each oxygen are 6. Valence shell of oxygen is 2. So 4 plus 2 are 6 and 4 plus 2 are 6 electrons. When the electrons are more than 4, valency is equal to 8 minus its valence electrons. Here valency of O is equal to 8 minus its valence electrons. 8 minus valence electrons are 6 here, so 8 minus 6 is equal to 2. Got it? Now oxygen represent the Lewis dot structure of oxygen. Here we got valence electrons are 6, 1 2 3 4 5 and 6. Now find out its nearest noble gas. Oxygen is 8 and its nearest noble gas is 10, that is neon. To get neon like configuration, it should gain more 2 electrons, because neon has here, if I will write a neon configuration, 1s2 2s2 2p6. Here I got 6 plus 2 8, now 4 plus 2 6. To get more 2 electrons like a neon, here 8 and here 6, the difference is 2. 8 minus 6 is 2. That means oxygen should get more 2 electrons to get like a neon. One more oxygen is there. Draw the same Lewis dot structure. Here you are getting 6 valence electrons, 1 2 3 4 5 6. Now it will share 2 electrons because it want more 2 electrons. That's why 2 oxygens together they share these 2 electrons between these two. Now I'll get oxygen and oxygen sharing gives one bond, one more sharing gives one more bond. Here already electrons are there, 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4. Now I got here 1 2 3 4 5 6 and 7 8. Like a neon, each got 8 electrons and 8 electrons after sharing, then I can write it as O2 with double bond. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 and 7 8 electrons. Now I got 8 and 8 electrons, with I can write it as O2 molecule. So like this you can also write it for the same HCl molecule also, but it is a heterogeneous molecule. Like this you can write it off with only one bond, one electron, and chlorine is also one electron. The same thing, you will get a HCl with a single bond. All these three belongs to covalent bond, and all these are called as covalent molecules. With this I will end my topic. Thank you.